Welcome back to the Bassin Hole. My name is Paul and I'll be your guide. Today we're working in the kitchen again and we're going to be preparing some Ziplock omelets. I've already prepared all of the meats and vegetables that we're going to put into the omelets. In this video we're going to prepare the eggs, mix it with some mayo, pour them into the bag with the other ingredient. We're practicing the French culinary style of mise en place, which means to set in place. And we are going to put all of our ingredients where we need them so that we can efficiently work in the kitchen and make this a process that is as quick as possible. Today's episode is brought to you by Rabbit Clam Apparel and Beaver Boards Woodworking. Never allow your rabbit clam to become a bored beaver. Keep it well satisfied with a variety of vigorous activities. And always trust your hardwoods to Beaver Boards. I've got my ingredients all measured out. We have a pound each of sausage, ham, and bacon, and all of our vegetables, which includes peppers, onions, jalapenos, and seasonings, are combined and cooked. I have my cheese ready. I've counted out 15 quart-sized bags. These are freezer bags, and 30 eggs. So each bag gets 2 eggs, a dollop of mayo, and a little bit of each of the ingredients. I'll crack the 2 eggs into a large measuring cup and mix in a dollop of mayo and whisk that until it is thoroughly blended, and then add the ingredients to a bag and pour that mixture into the bag with the cheese and other ingredients. The first step is going to be to prepare the 15 bags with the meats and vegetables and cheese, and then mixing the eggs and pouring that into the bag will be the last step. So there's going to be multiple steps involved here, and we'll get everything put together. With all of your ingredients prepared, you got to prepare your body. I like to remove any jewelry that I'm wearing, that way it doesn't get messy. And then gloves are always handy, prevent you from having to wash your hands 100 times. And the ingredients that are already cooked, I don't mind handling with the gloves. When I start dipping into the cheese, I'm going to probably change gloves, and that way I don't contaminate my cheese bag. It's difficult to judge exactly how much of each ingredient you need in the bag, but you want to be able to make roughly 15 identical pouches. So we'll just take a little handful of each ingredient, put in the bag, and if you have more of one ingredient than another, you can put extra. And as you come back, you can look for any bags that are not filled properly and add additional to them. Everybody likes bacon. Something I like to do when I cook my bacon is to line a bowl with some paper towels and then use a colander over top of the bowl to dump the bacon bits into, which allows the grease to drain into the towels and gives you something easy to clean up later. I use a metal bowl so that it doesn't get too hot and melt like a plastic bowl would. A glass bowl would also work, but you let it sit, the bacon bits drain naturally and become a little more crisp because they're not sitting in their own grease. And then all the grease gets trapped in the bowl in a rag that's easy to clean up. And that prevents all that goop from going into your sink drains. Now we're going to glove up again and put some cheese in these bags. Then we can start working on the eggs. Looks like we're gonna have to grab some more cheese. Thank goodness for Costco. They sell you the extra large boxes of cheese, double packs. With all of our bags stuffed, we can now work on the eggs. We'll beat 2 eggs together with some mayo and then pour them into the bags. All right, I'm going to start whisking together the eggs and the mayo. Got a big measuring cup. I'm going to use a 4-cup measuring cup. Just gives us plenty of room to mix everything around. I bought a 30-pack of eggs. That'll give me enough to do 15 omelets. And I prepped my 15 bags. There's no reason to be shy with this. We're going to crack all the eggs, but we're going to do them 2 at a time and do 1 dollop of mayo per batch. We're going to do a pretty big dollop of mayo. It just gives the eggs some creaminess and prevents them from drying out in your microwave. Move the trash can into a place where I can easily get to it, so I'm not making a mess. Then we just whisk these together to get a good consistency. And once it's no more lumps in it, then you can pour it directly into the bag without much of a prepared and put in the shoebox. We stick that in the freezer and clean up the kitchen. These omelets turn out amazing. You stick them in the microwave for about 3.5 to 4 minutes, depending on the power of your microwave, and they come out fluffy and delightful. I like to serve mine with salsa and avocado, and it turns out really good every time. As always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more content.